Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and we decided to bottle feed our little one, and I'm so glad that we found these bottles from Dr. Brown's. They are the Options Plus Anti-Colic bottles, and they are 4-ounce size, which is really great for newborns. The size is perfect, and I love that it comes with preemie nipples as well as level 1 nipples. Here is a comparison. On the left, you have the level 1 nipple with a larger drop, and on the right, the preemie nipple is a little faster with a smaller drop. It also comes with a lid in case you are storing breast milk. Overall, my baby has a good latch on this nipple, and he loves drinking out of these bottles. So if you're in the market for some baby bottles for your newborn, definitely check these out from Dr. Brown's. I love that they're anti-colic. It really helps out with the gas, and I just love the size. They've really been working great for us. So definitely check them out, and that's my point of view.